Hello, fourth graders. Here is your second math assignment for the week. Another logic link. All right, I feel like you guys are getting really good at these, so I don't have to explain too much. The only thing I want to point out is just to maybe click on that hand pointer to be able to move the shapes. That's the biggest thing. Click on that right away. Try not to move them around, but I know kind of with that iPad it gets a little funky, so I totally get it. But remember, read each one of these clues, okay? Once you have all 9 shapes in the place, reread it again just to make sure the answers are still true. A lot of times if you read it over again, you'll see like, ooh, that actually wouldn't work, okay? The other thing I want to show you is, did you see how I just clicked in the middle of the slide? So these 3 dots showed up. I wanted you to know this to unlock the slide so you can see that last clue. It's kind of hidden by the hand there. So if you unlock the slide and move it up, it says the green circle and the blue triangle are in the same row, but do not touch. All right, so all I did was click that lock and unlock to move that slide up. Okay, so you'll kind of have to do that. Sorry with these ones. All right, so complete all 6 slides, and then at the end, there's that how did you do? So tell me, still really hard, Mrs. Kirsch? It was okay, made me think, or these are easy, I got this. I also need to know, did you need some help? I mean, a lot of help, some help, or you did it all by yourself? Be honest. Doesn't matter to me. I just need to know, are these getting easier or are they still kind of hard? All right. Good luck. Can't wait to see your work.